Former table tennis player, the late Hubert Lawrence, renowned for his expertise as a track and field analyst, will be posthumously awarded for his outstanding contribution to the Barbican Terrence Table Tennis Club. This will be done at a tournament set for this Saturday at the GC Foster College.
This will be the first staging of the competition, and athletes from across the country will compete in 4 categories: the under-19s, the senior men and women, and the B singles. President of the Barbican Terrence Table Tennis Club, Michael Grant, says the B singles will be named after Hubert Lawrence and explained the reason.
He played a lot starting at Ensom Club, and eventually we will have a table that will show all the different clubs he played for: JPS, UWI, Ensom, as well as this club for which he was a founding member. And because he mostly played in the B division where he won, we made the B event the main event, which is a little unusual, but players understand.
Grant also revealed that the competition will be fierce, with some national players competing for the Hubert Lawrence Trophy and a cash prize of $100,000 for the B singer category. Christopher Lynn Jr., one of the athletes down to compete, says he's excited about the incentives on offer, but most importantly,
memorable to Mr. Lawrence, because he has been a great person me starting the sport, so he has always showed me love.
This is how Lynn remembers Lawrence.
He loved the sport with all his heart. Well, that I could say. That's pretty much what I can say. He loved the sport. He was been a part of the sport for a good time, for a long time, back in Ensom days. So it's been a real OG of the game.
President Grant says he's gotten a lot of support for the tournament and is looking at the possibility to have a yearly competition.
Well, we definitely want this to be a calendar event for Jamaica Association. They have sanctioned the event, and we expect it to be the first major event on the table tennis calendar every year, beginning this year.
The competition will commence at 9 a.m. at the GC Foster College. Damon Dunkley, TVJ Sports.